Hi, my name is Arya. I'm from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, United States of America, and I currently attend Penn State University. I chose to do an internship because I really wanted to gain some experience in a foreign country and learn about molecular biology from a person much more experienced than myself. And I really think I learned a lot of how to conduct myself in the lab and how to properly utilize the tools that I'm given. Um, I learned coordination and working with others as a main facet of this lab, and I really enjoyed talking to other people and learning about their diverse backgrounds. During my time here in Greece, I saw many different uh, interesting places, such as I was able to travel to Athens, which is one of my favorite cities. I traveled and I saw Mount Olympus, which I really enjoyed. Really cool lakes at the top, by the way, so check them out if you ever go. Um, I am happy with the coordination of the internship that was from Circa Abroad. They provided me with a really nice place to live and a really great roommate who I enjoyed spending time with, and made a really good friend with him. And I would say that I very much enjoyed my stay in this country, and I'd rate it a 9.5 out of 10, almost perfect. And I saw and met so many great people here, and I would definitely recommend for you to try this as well. Thank you.